Hey there, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to show you how to uninstall Roblox from your PC. Whether you are looking to free up space or you are just done with the game, we've got you covered. So let's get started. The first step is to click on the bottom left corner of your PC and simply search remove folders. Here you see add or remove programs in the first option. Click on it. Simply scroll down and get the Roblox account, or you can simply type Roblox here in the search bar. So here it is. Click on the three buttons. Here you see option for uninstall. Click on it. And there you have it. You've successfully uninstalled Roblox from your PC. If you ever decide to reinstall it, you can simply download it again from the official website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials and gaming contents. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.